Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. In this video we are working on this Volvo XC60. The XC90 is the same, most of the V's are the same. This is the 2-litre diesel. We've got P010600 and P010700 manifold, absolute pressure sensor low input. So we've got this fault code here. The engine manual light's on. I'm going to guide you. This is guidance more than anything. So what we're going to do, I'm going to pinpoint exactly where this fault code is. In this car, it's to do with this sensor here. In your case, it may not be. Maybe the internal components in there that's faulty, hence why you're getting a wrong reading. But in this case, we've got this here. This is the faulty part here. And that's it there, guys. So if you ask me, I would advise that you get OEM original parts, guys, and not aftermarket. I'm using the King Bowlen K8 Pro as well, so it's a good tool to be, doing live data and resetting and adapting your sensors on. But that code is to do with that there. Buy it on eBay or from dealer, and just it's a case of plug and play, and that's where the bolt is, guys.